Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Toyota Kluger KXS, stock reference number 5157. This shape runs from the 5th month 2007 through to the 2nd month 2014. It has a 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Aftermarket TAG towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, right driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy full spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.